All right, pull it tight on your side.
Got it. Ready when you are.
Okay, hooking it now.
Looks secure. Good to go?
Yep, let's move.
Log a line. Starting the scan.
Copy that, rollers engaged.
Scan complete. Optimal yield confirmed.
Looks good, ready for the next one.
The detailing on these robes is coming along nicely.
Yes, the grain is perfect. How's the polishing?
Almost done. Just a few spots left.
Good. Let's check the next batch. Ready to start the cut.
Alignment looks good. Go. Feed rate is steady.
Blade is clear. Keep it smooth. Blade speed is good. Keep the feed steady.
Got it. The grain is holding.
Pushing through the knot now. Good work. Almost through.
Line is clear. Starting the feed. Confirmed. Monitoring pressure now.
Output is stable. Keep it steady.
Speed increasing. Looks good. Adjusting tension. No issues.
All clear. Good pace.
Slabs clear on the right.
Confirmed. Proceeding to the next stage.
Steady on the edge here. Line 2 pressure is spiking. Initiating bypass.
Copy. Watching flow on right. Throughput is dropping. Confirm override.
Override confirmed. Recalibrating. Level stabilizing. Good call. Initiating conveyor. Keep clear.
Secured. Next log ready.
Good pace. Watch for splinters. Load confirmed. Initiate transfer. Copy that. Path is clear.
Watch the sway.
Sway is minimal. Proceeding to drop zone. Ready to compress.
Clear. Go ahead. Compressing now.
Pressure is holding.
Cycle complete. Good run.
Resetting.
Spreading the glue in now. All right. Engaging the press.
Initiating cycle on press 2.
Confirmed. All clear.
Look at that compression rate.
Perfect.
Initiating the feed sequence now.
Confirmed. Monitors are stable.
Good. Proceed to the next stage.
Adjusting the alignment parameters.
Excellent. Throughput is optimal.
Ready on this side. Lift initiated.
Confirmed. Proceed to transport.
Transport complete. Placing now.
Stack secured. Operation successful.
All right. Back it up to the base. Slow and steady. Copy that. Backing up. Whoa, whoa. Stop there. Perfect. Set the brakes.
Ready to activate. Clear. Go ahead. Look at the panels coming down. Confirmed. Holding steady.
Initiating cut sequence now. Log feed is steady. Watch the alignment. Clear on the outfeed side.
Starting the line. Watch for the next plank.
Got it. This one's clear. Next one coming through.
All right, load's clear. Moving to aisle 5.
Copy that, reversing now. Watch the turn, stack looks stable.
Confirmed. Proceed to rack 5B.
Approaching rack, lowering load.
All right, load this batch. Bay 5. Copy. Lifting now. Looks secure. Ready. Good. Next stack after this.
On my way.
Clear path. Confirmed. Proceed.
All right, let's get this loaded.
Ready when you are.
Okay, take a top stack on the right.
Moving in.
Easy now, set it down gently.
All set.
All right, on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Got it, pulling. Keep it steady. Looks good. Looks good. We're set. Yeah.